Hello everyone and welcome back. If you guys are following these videos, then you have seen that we are using bundle to pass the values from one activity to another activity. But that is not an efficient way if we have to access these values globally. So for that, first of all, we need to create one package to make an global API. Now inside that, create a class that is global API. Now inside it, we need to first of all we need to extend it with the application. Now we need to create variables which we want to access globally. That is first username and user ID. Now we need to create its getter and setters. Alright. It is similar to the model class, but there is some different functionality. That is, let's add static global API get instance. That is instance. Now here what we are doing, we are trying to make an instance of this class, that is public global API, that is constructor. Now here we will use this class every time whenever we need to access these both values, because these are available to us as globally. Now first of all, global API get instance, create one method. Now if instance is equal to null, then we will create new instance every time. Alright, that means whenever we call this class, we don't need to instantiate this again and again, and it is available as us globally. That means all the username and user ID, we need to only set it once and we can access it every time. So go to the Android manifest and register it here, that is Android name utils dot global API. Alright, now wherever we have used bundle, instead of that we are going to use global API to set the user ID and username. So let's go to the sign up API, sign up class. Now here we have a, that is intent dot put extra. Now instead of this we use global API, that is, let's see how we can do it. Create one instance, that is global API, global API. Now global API dot get instance. Now we need to set user ID, that is current ID, same with the username. Now we done. Now we can access it globally. Now we need to remove these intent, that are intent dot put extras. Now go to the, now in the another activity, now we are in the add journal activity. Now again here use global API dot get instance. Now we use dot get, that is username which we have set in the sign up page. Now remove it. Now the value which we have get, we need to store into the username string, that is current username string. So create one string, that is current username, and we done. Now we need to add one condition every time. If the instance is not created, then we will going to create it first. Also get the current ID, that is current user ID. Now come to the login page. First of all, let it add here user, that is Firebase user. Now Firebase auth dot get current user. Now we need to add here global API, that is global API dot get instance. Now we need to set the username and user ID, same like which we have done in sign up page. Remove it. By creating this global API, we do not need to pass the values with the help of the bundle because that are not accessible everywhere. But by using this method, we can access these values everywhere. So guys, make sure you first of all delete all your database entries, that is all your journals. Then after it, you can run it your application. In the next video, we will show all the journals in the recycler view. Until then, please do subscribe and share, and thank you.